Hello again and welcome to your German course. Now let's continue. Lektion 33. Ordinalzahlen. Zahlen. Firstly, you should know that there are two types of numbers: Cardinalzahlen and Ordinalzahlen. Cardinalzahlen are numbers like 1, 2, etc., whereas Ordinalzahlen are numbers like erster, zweiter, etc., which we'll be learning in this lesson. Let's begin with the first number. Erster. Noch einmal. Erster. Depending on the usage, you say der Erste or die Erste or das Erste. Do note here that ordinal numbers are written with a point after them. When you write them in words, they end with te. If you have learned the numbers well, it's very easy to form ordinal numbers. You have to just add a t and e at the end. There are a few exceptions to this rule, like this one. These are marked with an exclamation mark. This will become more clear to you as we move on. You also must have noticed that we have all the three articles here: der, die, and das. Let's see how to use this. And here's the first example. Der 1. Juli. We use der here as an article because the article of Juli is masculine. In the second example, since it's das Kind, you would say das erste Kind. Similarly, in the case of feminine, you would say die erste Liebe. And then there's another form of the ordinal number which you should remember. Am ersten. In this case, it ends with ten. Noch einmal, ersten. This form is used with dates. For example, ich komme am 1. April. Let's move to the next number. Zweiter. Noch einmal. Zweiter. Am 2. Noch einmal. 2. Dritter. Noch einmal. Dritter. Similarly, am 3. Noch einmal 3. Vierter. Noch einmal 4. Am 4. Noch einmal 4. 5. Noch einmal 5. Here you should remember that you have to just add a te at the end of the number. Am 5. Noch einmal 5. 6. Noch einmal 6. Am 6. Noch einmal 6. 7. Noch einmal 7. This number is also an exception. You don't add te to 7, but only to sie. Similarly, am 7. Noch einmal 7. 8. Noch einmal 8. Am 8. Noch einmal 8. 9. Noch einmal 9. Am 9. Noch einmal 9. 10. Noch einmal 10. Am 10. Noch einmal 10. 11. Noch einmal 11. Am 11. Noch einmal 11. 12. Noch einmal 12. Am 12. Noch einmal 12. Now let's see how we say it for the next numbers. The ordinal numbers from 13 to 19 are similar to the ones we have just done. You have to add te with der, die, das, and ten with am. Der, die, das 13. Am 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. Let's move to the next numbers. Der, die, das 20. Noch einmal 20. I'm sure you have noticed that you just don't add te after the number, but ste. This rule applies to all numbers above 19. Similarly, you would say am 20. You add an S-T-E-N. The next number would be 21. Noch einmal 21. Similarly, am 21. Noch einmal 21. For all the other numbers, you use the same rule. Let's look at number 30. 30. Noch einmal 30. Am 30. Noch einmal 30. Similar to these, you can do the next numbers. Der, die, das 40. Am 40. 50. 50. 60. 60. 70. 70. 80. 80. 90. 90. Hundertste. Hundertsten. And after 100, der, die, das 101. Noch einmal 101. 102. Noch einmal 102. And so on for all the numbers above 100. Let's do the thousandth number. Der, die, das, tausendste. Noch einmal. Tausendste. Now let's see how to use and when to use ordinal numbers. Anwendung. The first example is to tell about today's date. Heute ist der 6. April. The second use, sie kommt am 6. April. Do remember, while writing the dates in this form, you have to put a point after the number. Let's see the next use. Ich wurde am 6.4. geboren. Another sentence is, ich habe am 6. April Geburtstag. Let's see another use. Das dritte Haus von links ist mein Haus. To practice what you have learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our Patreon page. You can also support our work on Patreon, Ko-fi, directly through PayPal, by becoming a YouTube member, or at buymeacoffee.com and gain access to over 100 extra vocabulary and grammar-related documents, exercises, and language exams. You can find these options in the description below. Thank you. See you soon in the next lesson. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.